Welcome to today's Articulate Storyline Update video. Today, Tuesday, July 28, 2026, Articulate released version 3.122.37553.0. And it looks like Articulate is back to their normal release cadence, where new features and enhancements drop every other Tuesday, with bug fixes releasing each week. Today's video actually covers two releases, a midweek fix from last Thursday and today's release. The Thursday fix corrected a problem where horizontal and double arrows would shift position when previewing or publishing a lesson. Today's fix addresses an issue where projects that included a zoom region on one of the slides would fail to open entirely. As for labs, all three features remain in testing, with no additions or removals since our last update. The color contrast checker, AI avatar generation, and find and replace fonts remain available for testing. If this update helped you understand what changed in Articulate's storyline, the video on the screen walks through this week's earlier storyline update, where we break down additional enhancements, fixes, and new features you'll want to be aware of. Go ahead and select it to keep going. And if you want practical storyline tutorials that help you keep up with new features, updates, and workflow changes, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.